Module 3, On-Road Training and Logistics. Introduction to On-Road Training. Hello folks, welcome to this lesson on on-road training. On-road training is a critical component in developing competent and safe drivers, particularly for those operating commercial vehicles. This type of training involves practical experience under real-world conditions, providing valuable hands-on learning that complements theoretical knowledge. Through on-road training, drivers gain insight into various road types, traffic conditions, and driving scenarios they might encounter while performing their duties. Objectives of on-road training: enhance driving skills through real-life practice, improve understanding of vehicle control and maneuvering, increase awareness of road safety and defensive driving techniques, supervise driving on public roads. Supervised driving is typically required before new drivers are permitted to drive alone. It involves a more experienced driver or instructor accompanying the learner to provide guidance and ensure safety. Supervised sessions help build confidence and competence, enabling learners to become comfortable with various challenges such as navigating through traffic, adhering to road signs, and responding appropriately to unexpected situations. Key aspects of supervised driving: monitoring adherence to traffic rules and regulations, providing feedback on driving techniques, ensuring execution of safe driving practices, navigation and route planning. In today's fast-paced environment, effective navigation and route planning are crucial for efficient transportation management. Drivers often rely on modern GPS technologies, but understanding how to plan routes manually remains an essential skill. Effective route planning not only helps in reaching destinations timely but also enhances fuel efficiency and reduces wear and tear on vehicles. Steps in route planning: identify start and end points. Determine the most efficient path using tools like maps or GPS systems. Consider factors like road conditions, traffic, and construction work. Plan rest stops and breaks, especially for long journeys. Logbook management and hours of service regulations. Logbook management is vital for drivers, especially those in the commercial sector, to track hours worked and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. The hours of service hose regulations are designed to prevent driver fatigue by limiting the number of hours a driver can operate a vehicle. Proper logbook management ensures that drivers do not exceed these limits and maintain accurate records.
Importance of logbook management: ensures compliance with legal requirements, aids in tracking work and rest periods, helps in scheduling and planning future driving tasks. Overview of hours of service regulations. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration (FMCSA) sets forth regulations that dictate how long a driver can be on duty. Understanding these rules is essential for maintaining safety standards. 11-hour driving limit. A driver may drive up to 11 hours after 10 consecutive off-duty hours. 14-hour window. Drivers may not drive beyond the 14th consecutive hour after coming on duty following 10 consecutive hours off duty. 60/70ths hour limit. Drivers cannot drive after 60/70ths hours on duty in 7/8 consecutive days. Here's a summary. Objectives of on-road training. The objectives of on-road training are to provide students with hands-on experience and practical skills in operating a commercial vehicle safely and efficiently. Key objectives include: 1. Mastering vehicle control, developing skills in steering, braking, and accelerating. 2. Safe driving practices, learning defensive driving techniques and hazard perception. 3. Route navigation, practicing route planning and navigation. 4. Compliance with regulations, understanding and complying with traffic laws and regulations. 5. Developing professional driving habits, cultivating a professional attitude and behavior while driving. 6. Improving driving skills, refining driving techniques and adapting to different driving conditions. By achieving these objectives, students will become competent and confident commercial vehicle operators, equipped to handle the demands of professional driving. Here's a summary. Navigation and route planning. Navigation and route planning are critical components of commercial vehicle operations. Key aspects include: 1. Route planning, identifying the most efficient and safe routes, considering factors like traffic, road conditions, and weather. 2. Map reading and navigation, understanding how to read maps, use GPS and navigation systems, and identify landmarks and reference points. 3. Compliance with regulations, ensuring routes comply with regulations such as hours of service, weight and size restrictions, and hazardous materials transport. 4. Fuel efficiency and optimization, planning routes to minimize fuel consumption and reduce costs. 5. Time management and scheduling, coordinating routes with schedules, appointments, and delivery times. 6. Adapting to changing conditions, being prepared to adjust routes due to unexpected events such as traffic congestion, road closures, or weather conditions. Effective navigation and route planning enable commercial vehicle operators to optimize their routes, reduce costs, and improve overall efficiency and safety. Here's a summary: logbook management and hours of service regulations. Accurate logbook management is crucial for commercial vehicle drivers to comply with hours of service HOSIA regulations. Key aspects include: 1. HOS regulations, understanding federal and state regulations governing driving hours, duty status, and rest periods. 2. Logbook requirements, maintaining accurate and complete records of driving hours, duty status, and vehicle inspections. 3. Duty status categories, understanding and recording duty status categories, including driving, on duty, and off-duty time. 4. Cycle rules and exceptions, applying cycle rules such as the 60/70th hour rule and understanding exceptions like the adverse driving conditions exception. 5. Electronic logging devices ELDIS, implementing and using ELDIS to automate logbook management and ensure compliance. 6. Audits and inspections, preparing for and passing logbook audits and inspections. Effective logbook management and compliance with HOS regulations help prevent driver fatigue, reduce the risk of accidents, and avoid costly fines and penalties. Conclusion: understanding and implementing the principles of on-road training, supervised driving, navigation, route planning, and logbook management are crucial for any professional driver. These elements ensure safety, efficiency, and compliance with legal standards, ultimately contributing to the success of any transport-related business. By mastering these skills, drivers can enhance their performance and contribute positively to road safety and environmental sustainability. Thank you for taking this lesson on on-road training. We hope to see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!